Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website multilingual. First, you'll need to choose a robust multilingual plugin. Options like WPML, Polylang, or TranslatePress are excellent starting points. Think about what features are most important for your site, such as ease of use and compatibility with your current theme and other plugins. Making the right choice here sets a strong foundation for your translation efforts. Once you've selected your plugin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for your chosen tool. Install and activate it. Most plugins will then guide you through an initial setup wizard. This is where you'll define your website's primary language and add all the additional languages you wish to support. It's a straightforward process that gets your site ready for translation. Now for the core task, translating your content. Your chosen plugin will provide a dedicated interface for this. You'll go through your existing pages, posts, and any custom post types, translating them into each of your chosen languages. Remember to translate not just the main text, but also image alt tags, titles, and any SEO metadata. A complete translation ensures a consistent user experience across all languages. Finally, don't forget about your navigation menus and widgets. Most multilingual plugins offer tools to translate these elements, ensuring your site structure is consistent in every language. You might also need to localize some theme strings that aren't part of your regular content. After everything is translated, thoroughly test your website. Check all pages, links, and forms in every language to ensure a seamless experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.